Welcome to this video on XSLT transformation for data export in Dynamics 365 for Finance and Supply Chain Management. As you might know, you can use a data management framework in Dynamics 365 to export data using entities. And you can choose different formats, for example XML. Now you may have the requirement that you need to transform the entity XML export to the desired format. I have here a products v2 export. This looks like this, and you might have to transform it into a different format, and this could look like this here. So we have a different root element. Here it's document, here it's products. We have different element name. Here it's EcoRes product v2 entity. It should be named product, and instead of attributes we should use child elements here, and the child elements should have a different names than the attribute. So instead of the product number, you should create an element that is called number, and instead of the search name, you should create an element that is called name and contains the name of the product. Now how we can do this? We can use XSLT to create the transformation. I have already created an example. Let's have a look. So this is a transformation script. You see it is like the desired format, and you can use elements like a for each statement and a select statement to create the desired output. So it says we have here a root element, that's product, this is the products here. Then we create the for each statement over all EcoRes product entity v2 entities. So all these elements here are our elements that are looked at by the for each statement, and here we can create a select. So the value of the product number, this means means an attribute. So it's taking the attribute product number and puts it between the number, and it's creating an element called name and puts the product search name between this name element. So it would look like this. Now how we can do this in Dynamics 365. Let's switch to Dynamics, and from the main menu we go to the data management workspace and create a new export project by clicking on the second button here. We have to give it a name. Let's call it XML product, for example, and add the products v2 entity, this here, and we want to skip staging and want to use all fields, and the desired output format is our XML attribute and a full push. Now this would create an XML file like I've shown you with the entity names, and now what we can do is add a transformation step by clicking on View Map here. On the third tab, Transformation, we create a new transformation step and upload the XSLT file. This is this here, product transformation XSLT. And save it. Now let's run the export. And what's happening is that the export is triggered. The default XML in attribute style is created, and then all transformation steps will be applied. In our case, we have only one transformation step. This is our XSLT file that is transforming the entity to our desired output format. So this takes a few seconds and we are finished. And by clicking download file, we can have a look at the result. And as you can see, this is the result of our export, and this matches the transformation that we have applied. So this is the result. This would be the entity export, and as you can see, our transformation script has created this export here, and we have our desired format with name, with number and name, number and name. We have products as root, product as child element, and we have the corresponding value. So 0001 is the number, and the name is also mapping. And that's a very easy way how we can create a specific XML for our target systems by using XSLT on the default XML export. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, you can leave a comment or leave a thumbs up. I would be happy to see this. Thank you.